Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video tonight about how to make your page white or yellow, and then how to get it back to white with a macro. And if you haven't watched that, it's pretty cool. But I I customized my macro to have like a no yellow sign, and I did it in the macro editor or the appearance editor of tools. And then I thought it'd be a lot better to draw it in Corel. So I drew this into Corel. So just draw whatever you want. You want it relatively small. I'd say an inch or less, or a little bit more maybe. Then you're going to go to File and Export. And you need to export it as an ICO file. And then we're going to call it White Page 2. I've already got one, but I'm just going to hit Export. It's going to, yes, I want to replace it. And it's going to kind of tell you the size it is in your palette color. And you need to be RGB palette, so it'll kind of look good. If you don't, it'll be there'll be some segments missing. And then hit OK. And then you go to Tools, Customization, Commands, Macros. Go down to this, record it, and hit Appearance. Now I've already got that. That's the way it looks. And you could draw, and that's what I did on the first video, and it didn't come out very good. But you could import, and then go down to Files. And right here is your White Page 2 icon, and Open. And it's going to replace it, and then hit OK. And it's going to change it to that on your appearance. That looks a lot better. So when I want a yellow page, or I want a white page. Anyway, kind of fun to play around with. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.